Hey, I'm Lou, head of coffee at Bear. Today we're going to be making a long black, a nice simple drink you can make at home with the espresso machine. The machine we're using today is a Sage Barista Pro. We're going to be brewing with our Rwandan Kinini naturally processed coffee, which will be hitting the hoppers in store someday soon. So first step of the process, we're going to remove the portafilter from the group head on the machine and flush a little bit of water through the group head just to remove any of the old coffee grind. We're then going to knock out the puck from the portafilter and give it a wipe with a clean and dry cloth. We're then going on to a set of scales with our portafilter. I'm going to grind the coffee into that. What we're looking for here is 16 grams of espresso grind. Before we tamp the coffee, I'm going to distribute. For this we can use, we could use different tools to help us with this, but today we're just going to again go kind of simply by just tapping the side of the basket, the portafilter, to level that off. Over to the tamp now. We're not tamping mega hard with this, we're just pushing the air out of it. We're looking for a nice level puck to then put the water through. Rather than popping the espresso into a cup, we're going to pop the espresso on top of some hot water. Now you can simply use the kettle at home for this, but on the machine here has a nice little hot water function, so we can fill our cup with hot water. So whatever size cup you would like. I like mine slightly shorter, but just remember to leave enough room for your espresso on the top, which is going to be around about 30 ml going on top of it. I'm going to lock that into place and we're going to press our extraction button. Brilliant, and there we have our long black, which you can always add a splash of milk if you like a milky drink. You can buy any of our equipment on our website if you just click the link in the bio. If you like this video and want to see more brewing guides or recipes, hit the like button, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and you can hear more from us. You won't miss out. And there we go. Enjoy your brews. Happy brewing.